This is project 3 from the BitGadget kit. It's called Secret Box. Here's the secret box. When you open the secret box, there's a light sensor inside, and the little troll is not happy. And when you close it up again, the alarm and the troll face stop. So you can see we're using a BitMaker board, a microbit, plugged into the BitMaker board at the back. There's a light sensor on the inside. You could also put the board and the microbit on the inside as well. And here is the code. I made some tweaks from the code on the original instructions. I've added stop all sounds, and I've changed digital write pin from pin 0 to pin 1 because we're using pin 1 instead. And that's the project, Secret Box.